I'm Steven Savarese, CEO of TechnoCarbon. We are building the future using the first sustainable material to outperform steel and concrete. We can replace steel and concrete in the structure of nuclear reactors, especially new nuclear and the sodium-cooled reactors, because there are specific challenges associated with these kind of reactors. And our technology addresses just that, because it is a composite material made of stone and carbon fiber and has the ideal characteristics for doing so. Fantastic contacts with the startups, because that's a very interesting market, and also with the larger groups. We got some interesting feedback. Some of them are not interested and they explained us, so that will save us a lot of time. And the others might be interested, and we know now which specific applications they might be interested in.